Sometimes kitchen cabinet doors can be annoying when you open and close. They slam and they make noise. Recommendation from my son, I find out that I could exchange these hinges, existing hinges, for so-called soft close hinges. I found them at Home Depot from Everbuilt. They are hinges that open 105 degrees, meaning how far door opens. It's pretty much the same as I have so far. 10 pieces for exactly $50. That is good deal. Pretty much the same price as anywhere else on the web, Amazon or anywhere else, and I decided to do so. First step is to take the old hinge off. There is two screws on the door, and one screw is holding the door on the cabinet itself. In the package we have a hinge itself and a set of screws. You can use new ones or go with old ones. In my case I will use new ones because my old screw is a little bigger and it will not fit through this opening here, so I'm gonna use new ones. Okay, I will first put a big screw and screw it onto cabinet, not all the way, just to come close, and then put it on the door, so about that, and tie it just enough but not all the way to hold it in place, and then use two old screws to put them into old spot. It is pretty simple installation if you had hinges already there. Like I said, one screw here, two screws here and here, and there are adjustment screws that in my case I don't need to do any adjustment, but this is vertically, this is horizontally, and one in the middle is vertically up and down. And like I said, in my case I don't need to do any adjustment, but it is done, and door closes itself slowly without noise. Pretty easy, good, and I'm glad I found this solution. It'll be a lot less noise, especially in the late night. So anybody can do this. It's costing a little bit of money, but in my case I like the result, and that will be all. Thank you for watching.